Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin if you're new here, and today's video is going to be all about my best thrifting tips, really for anybody that loves thrifting or wants to get into thrifting. This video is for you and I hope these tips help. Specifically, if you're a beginner, you're scared to go in, you've gone in before and you don't know what you're looking for, or you have trouble finding the pieces that you'll love, or having the creativity to envision pieces and outfits in your own wardrobe, then make a vision board. Go on Pinterest, go in your recently saved fashion pin, and see what you've pinned. See what you like. Make a new board for the specific trip. Say, oh, I'm looking for chunky belt or a mesh skirt. I'm looking for cowboy boots. Be specific. Make sure you nail down the specific aesthetic that you are looking for. This will make it a lot easier when you're in there. You'll say, oh, is this with the aesthetic I'm looking for? No. Would this look good with things on my board or the things in my closet? Yes. Okay. Put it in the cart. Be specific when you're making your board and it'll make the trip a lot easier. Second, for cute baby tees, make sure to check out the kids section. Specifically, the little boys section usually has great baby tees. For like a small medium, look in like the 5T, 6T section. There's always really unique, like funny little baby tees that you can find and pick up. But obviously be mindful, don't ransack this section because there are moms who need these clothes for their real kids. So keep that in mind. Don't take like a billion shirts just because you could. Just be mindful, pick out like one or two that you really love and leave it at that, because there are people with real kids that need these clothes. 3, the cutest skirts are hidden in like the 15-16 size section. I don't know why, maybe people always just like hide stuff for later in this section, but I swear there's never cute skirts in like small through like large section. They're always hidden in like the plus size section. They are sizes like small, medium, large, but they're just hidden in these like plus size sections for, I don't know why, they just always are. I don't know why it's mainly skirts. It also happens with a lot of the other sections, but specifically skirts. It always happens. I always find the cutest skirts in these areas. See if it's true in your thrift store and let me know. 4, this is seriously a lifesaver. I honestly forget about this one all the time, but I really regret the times that I forget it. And it is to bring headphones, listen to music, listen to a podcast. If you're a beginner and you made that mood board, try listening to music that is similar to that mood board or that inspires the feelings of that mood board. That will help you even more keep that aesthetic in your mind. It'll just help you keep on brand, on target. But if you're a little bit more experienced, just listen to whatever music you want. Listen to a podcast, just chill out. The music's usually not the best in thrift stores, so it really helps and it'll help your longevity. It'll help you be able to stay there longer. 5 is to use your imagination. Be creative. Obviously, this is a lot harder for newbies, but if you find something so cute, but it's not your size, don't be afraid to get it altered. Altering usually does not cost that much money unless you're making serious changes to a big item. Even with those alteration costs, it's still cheaper to get something from the thrift store altered to your body perfectly than it would be to buy that item full price from the store, and you'll have a custom fitted item. I've done this with shirts before, with jeans, with dresses. It's never failed me. And usually it's only like $10 an item. So don't be afraid to look at the larger sizes. If you love something, don't be afraid to buy it because you can always alter it and it'll fit you perfectly. All right, those are my 5 tips. I can do a few more if you guys like this video, but those are my big 5, the ones that help me the most and the ones that I feel like can help newbies the most. So thank you guys for watching all the way through. I love you guys and I'll see you next time.